Hi everyone, in today's video let's see how you can insert an Excel sheet into the Word document. This comes handy especially for creating complicated tables in Microsoft Word. So let's quickly get into the video. Usually what we do is go to Insert, click on Table and select the number of columns and rows that we require for creating the table. This method can be used if you are creating simple tables on Microsoft Word. You can just move the cursor up and down depending on the number of rows and columns that you require for creating the table. For creating more complicated tables, you can just click on the Excel worksheet option and an object of Excel worksheet will be automatically inserted. You can use the very same for creating complicated tables just like how you use the Excel worksheet. All the options that are available in the Microsoft Excel will be available to you here, and that makes it so easy to create tables in Microsoft Word. Here is another way. Just go to Insert and click on Object option, and here you can choose the type of object that you want to insert. If you have a particular Excel sheet that has been already made, just click on the Browse option and select the file and you will be able to import it. Similarly, you have the option to choose any type of these objects, just like the Adobe Photoshop image or the PowerPoint presentation, anything just that has been mentioned here, you can just insert it within seconds. I'll just show you a very quick example of how this works. I just added some content and then click on all borders, just like how you do in Microsoft Excel. I selected some cells and clicked on Merge and Center. I'm also doing some basic formatting. You can also easily adjust the width of the columns and rows. Once you are done with the Excel sheet, just click anywhere outside the object, and here as you can see there are some cells that are visible which I don't want. What you have to do is adjust the size of the object as such. Just drag it in or out until you are happy with the result. And here as you can see, this is how you do it. Just drag it and adjust it a little bit until all the contents are visible. It do get difficult at times. I'll show you how bad it can perform at times. As you can see here, the top portion of the table isn't visible, the border isn't visible, so just drag it a little bit and it will be okay. And this is how you do it. I hope the video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing.